Dahua's AirShield security system, your trusted partner in home wireless protection, achieved through an invisible connection. In today's fast-paced world, protecting your home is more crucial than ever. Let's explore the incredible wireless features of Dahua's AirShield range. Imagine a situation where an overflow occurs in your bath or a leak within your kitchen that goes undetected and results in a disaster. Our leak detection technology ensures your home stays safe, preventing serious damage and cost. Wireless home and away mode, an easy solution to arm and disarm your security from your phone or via the AirShield keypad or keyfob. With access control solutions, you're in control, providing security at your fingertips. The benefits of AirShield devices go beyond the ordinary. They enable wireless security solutions to collaborate seamlessly with Dahua devices, bringing you a level of security that's truly extraordinary. AirShield door and window detectors, brake glass detectors, smoke alarms, PIR cameras. The possibilities are endless. Plus, our new external PIR camera, completely wireless, can sit outside your home and links with the newly created Hub Pro device for added convenience that is coming to the market soon. Picture this: link AirShield with an EI recorder and AirShield to trigger a Dahua TOC or PTZ camera. This is an incredible level of coordination for unmatched security, as one of the many options that are possible.
AirShield on.
Dahua AirShield is activated. You have 10 seconds to clear the area.
You are under surveillance.
Dahua's AirShield wireless security system complies with EN 50131 Grade 2 standards and is equipped with cutting-edge technologies like AirFly 3, RFHD and cloud services. It's easy to install, has stable connectivity and includes user-friendly mobile management. Choose Dahua, your partner in modern home security, because when it comes to your customer's home, there's no compromise. Dahua's AirShield, protecting what matters most.